Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky and today we are going to turn a standard piece of paper into a little boat. Oh, it's going to just go along there. A boat. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll explain it all as we go, as I show you, and you guys can make it along with me. Now this little boat should be able to float on some water as well, so we'll give that a little try as well, and we'll see how many pennies we can put in it before it sinks. So watch out for that one, and that will be coming up shortly after we find out how to make a boat out of paper. So to make one of these, you go from a standard piece of paper, it's all about folding it. So to fold a piece of paper like this is called origami. So origami can be in lots and lots of different things. So we'll do a few on different origamis. We'll start off with the boat today because it's pretty easy to do. You know that because I managed to do it. Okay, so we're going to start off with a boat. So this is how you do origami. You can do lots of different things. So you can make like a dinosaur or a crane. You can also do some fun little games with origami as well. So what I might do, if you guys like this one, let me know. And if you want to see a little game you can play using your origami skills, then I will make a video doing that for you. So if you'd like that, then write it in the comments below and like the video, and I'll get that organised for you. For those of you who haven't already, which I know a few of you haven't, so please subscribe below. It's a big red button. That will give you all the videos coming up soon. I would really appreciate that if you could. That would be wonderful. And we can try and make this channel grow, which would be marvellous, so you guys can learn some more things how to do at home and things you can do out and about as well. So take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Make sure you fold down the crease so it's nice and sharp. Then fold the other side all the way over and press that fold down once again. We're now going to open it up and have the fold at the top of the piece of paper, and we're going to fold both corners into the middle. Once we've folded the top corners down, we're going to bring the bottom sheet upwards in top of the triangles we've just created. Then we'll flip it over and those sticking out corners at the top we'll just fold over to make it into a nice triangle shape at the top. We'll match those triangles by bringing the bottom corners up to meet the top corners. Once we've done this, we will fold the bottom edge up so that it makes a lovely triangle. So we open the device up and fold it the other way round. So make sure the flat bits are at the top and then bend it all the way down and do the same on the other side, bringing the top to the bottom. We are going to open it up once again and turn it like we did before. And at the top we've got the open edges, and we're just going to pull those apart. And voila! There becomes your boat. So let's see how it floats. Do you think it will float or sink? So, I hope you guys have enjoyed how to make a boat. So, have you got yours there ready? Because this is the time we are going to be testing it on the water to see whether it floats or sinks. And how strong is this boat? Now, it looks pretty sturdy here, but what we're going to do is, I've got a load of pennies, so we're going to load up the boat full of pennies and see how many pennies it takes before it drops. So let's see how we get on, and you guys can try at home as well. Now you know how to make the boat, so let's see. Boat ready? Pennies ready? Water's ready. Let's go. Okay. So the boat is on. Good look at that one. Okay, so let's see how many pennies it takes. So comment below and tell me how many pennies you think as we go along. Doing well so far? Two, 23, 4, 25, 26. Ah! So that is 26. You can see it's off the bottom still. 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh! Oh, are we going? Are we going? Ah! Sunk. 27, 28, 30. Oh! Oh, are we going? Are we going? Ah! So how did your boat get on? Did you beat my 30 coins? 30 pence. So if you did, then let me know, put it in the comments, and we'll have a little competition to see who's won. If you've liked this video, then give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below, because I would really, really appreciate that. We've got to try and make this group grow a little bit, get some more followers. So that'd be marvellous if you guys could do that, and you can see all the latest videos then up to date. And I will see you guys soon for some more videos we can do at home or out and about. I'll see you then. Bye. It was raining. So, but you guys can do anything you want to do, whether it's rain or shine. Rain or shine. Shine. Rain or shine. Oh, I know what I need. I need some more light. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky, and today we are going to be making, well, oh, hello. Yeah, so we are going to turn a standard piece of paper into, see whether I can do this, a little, oh, I know I can do it even better.